Welcome to S Achievers, a historic day, and today we have with us Dr. Ritika Kard. She has got rank 10 in the recently concluded INICET MDS November 2025 exam. Big congratulations, Ritika, for getting
Thank you
the
so much.
amazing rank. And just tell us about the result came after 11 p.m. in the night. So when we called, you were not believing, and then you were crying. What was your emotion like at that time?
I was not with my phone. My phone was downstairs, and my sister told me that the result has come out. Please check it. And when I checked it, I could not believe it. And I was messaging ma'am that please confirm it and tell me. And then it was very emotional for me. The whole family was being emotional. Then you also called, and I was crying all the time.
Oh yeah, you were crying when we actually called you at around
Yeah.
11:30, 11:45
Yeah.
in the night, and I believe your party went on till late. I guess you
Yes,
people slept
definitely.
at around 4
3 or
4 a.m.
4, yes. I could not sleep the whole night.
Yeah, so that is the kind of emotion you get when you get such a rank. She's ranked 10 overall, and definitely she's going to get one or the other seat. We'll see the matrix later. So Ritika, first tell us a little bit more about yourself. From where have you done your UG, and like what has been your preparation like?
I have graduated from ESIC Dental College Rohini, and I graduated in 2021. After that, I took a break of like 1 year, but things were not good in family, so I thought to rather do JRship. Then I got JRship in one of the Delhi government college. Then I got JRship again in ESI only, Rohini.
So you have done 2
So
years of
2
JRship.
years of JRship.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after that, I wanted to again pursue MDS. So I joined ACE last year only, like in November I joined.
So what was the, I mean, apart from the family reasons, we'll not go into the details. What was the reason like 2021 to 2025 effectively?
Yeah.
So like you left the line, you came back. What
I
was
was
the
trying-
motivation to come back?
Motivation. I just wanted to, I was doing JRship in Deepchand Bandhu, and it was getting very mundane. I wanted to learn more. So I thought I have to do MDS no matter what. But then ESIC JRship came and I had to do that also. So then, but my aim for MDS was very much sure that I have to learn more. I have to become a specialist. It's important.
So that is one of the reasons why you should be thinking about doing MDS, because if you think after doing BDS you can just run a clinic or you can just join some hospital or JRship, sooner or later it's going to become very mundane, and by the time you realize it's time you do an upgrade, go into MDS, sometimes it becomes a little too late. So how did you start your MDS journey after you came back into preparing?
Then I joined ACE, but then again I was not following that much. Whenever I used to give mocks, I used to think नहीं हो रहा मुझसे, तो मैं छोड़ देती थी first time.
She joined, yeah, she joined in the 2025 batch, and in 2025 batch, which means that it concluded with the NEET MDS 2025. Okay, so in the first year of preparation, yeah, it took her time to come back to the terms that yes, we have to prepare and how to prepare, how to give that dedicated time. So what was your rank in this currently concluded NEET 25?
My rank was in NEET 1330.
1330.
1330.
And the INI May, what was your rank?
My rank was 900 something.
So
930
around overall 2 exams, the rank was around 1000.
Yeah.
And today your rank is
10.
So it is a multiple of 100.
Definitely.
So in around 4 months time,
Yeah,
around
5
months time,
Yeah.
what changes suddenly in 5 months time? What did you
I
change? Getting 100 times,
Definitely.
improvement.
I think the first change was when I called you. You instilled that confidence in me that yes, you can do it. ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, aims की नहीं हो सकता. So I think it started from then, and then after that I followed academy thoroughly. अगर मेरे weekly में भी marks कम आते थे तो मैं मैम से पूछती थी कि आप बताओ मैं क्या करूँ कि जिससे better marks आएँ. तो she said high yield points पढ़ो. तो फिर मैं proper मैंने इस बार academy को follow करा है, mock test दिए हैं सारे, और रिविजन आई फेल्ट वाज द मेन पार्ट, क्योंकि 10 चीज़ें करने से कुछ नहीं होता, रिवाइज बहुत करना पड़ता है.
एंड सही डायरेक्शन में व्हाट इज मोर लाइकली टू कम इनटू द एग्जाम. Okay, so that is the technique. We did some changes to our revision series this time, which has reflected in her preparation and jumping her from the her 1000 average rank to a 10th rank INICET. So great going, Ritika. Amazing rank. whom all would you like to thank for your success?
I would first like to thank God, and then my family who supported me every time, and of course my friends who were my support, and they were, you know, one call away whenever I'm feeling distressed. And then of course my mentors and academy, which helped me towards this path. This is not a one man's journey, ये सबकी journey है जो involved है,
It's a
सबकी
collective
blessings है.
effort. It's a
Definitely.
collective effort. We fail together. We
Definitely.
succeed together.
Definitely.
One more thing I would like to ask you before we conclude this interview, because in the recently concluded NEET exam, the academy did not perform very well, of which you were also a part. Many students thought, and they still think, okay, the academy is not good, we should jump this ship to some other academy which is getting, you know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 kind of ranks. So you persisted with us.
Yes.
What made you persist with us? What made you believe in us that this is the right place? This is what is going to get me success?
One reason is definitely from my college, many people have got ranks from this academy, and secondly, I think मैम एंड सर आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. मुझे इतने डाउट्स होते थे, वो सब सर ने सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और खुद सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए मुझे लगता था कि कोई सुनने वाला है, कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी कोई, मैं बता सकती हूँ.
दैट इज वेरी राइट. रितिका के डाउट्स हैव बीन मतलब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट difficult to solve. They used to become excruciating because she would put, you know, 4 questions from same questions from different sites, I mean from different places in the software, and she will say there are different answers, which one to follow. So I had to do all the collective effort to see which one is actually right, okay, which one needs the answer change and all those kind of things. Every doubt used to take me around half an hour to solve so many times. So but yeah, at that time it used to be a little difficult, but at the end when the result is good, everything is justified. So seat matrix is already out, but we'll definitely not reveal what seat she wants, and we'll wait till the end, and when she has the seat which she desires, then we'll put it up again. So thank you guys, thank you Ritika for making it. Last night the result was there, and today Ritika is here. She came a little late because she was celebrating till late in the night. So a big congratulations, more celebrations, and we'll keep on the follow-up till you get the kind of seat that you want. We'll keep on guiding you throughout. Thank you very much.
Thank you.